So here's interesting app which is called Verifly, Fast Digital Identity. So I can just tap get to install this app, and then I can just use Touch ID to install it, and let's see how it works. So you can just use it while you are traveling. It just helps you to create all these digital identities, digital paths, and store them in privacy, security, and confidence. So that's the whole idea. But I never used it actually. I just seen that more and more people are using it. So let's just open the app and let's try to get started. I will try to guide you through the screen and how it works. So it takes 4 steps to create an account. So you just need to agree. Then you just need to enter your full name details, and then you just need to enter that. Then you just need to confirm your email. Then you just need to take a profile photo. So something like that. Okay, let's see if that works. So then I'll just want to open my mail app and then just validate my account. Thanks for signing up, and now you're ready to use. Onboarding complete. I just created my account. So that's the process. That's the idea. You can search for flights, trips, passes, cards, and more. So that's the idea. That's how you create an account. That's your profile. So for example, add new trips, passes, cards, and more, like trip to Bahamas. And then you just need to add flight details. And that's basically like you can see all the related like COVID related information here. So that can be pretty handy, because if you are traveling to some countries, you can never know like what are their new requirements, because they can be updated like every few days or so. So here you just select all the destination, like airline, and then you just select date, and then you can just submit. So then you can just select just for this info. And that's about it. So that's your trip. And then you can just manage trip. So view pass. So here you just need to have your complete checklist. So here is you need to have travel authorization of airport. You need to have all these tests. So that's why this app is like useful and handy, and is growing in popularity, because you just need to have all this checklist COVID tests for each country. For some countries you need like antigen test, for other like you need PCR, or other you just can have vaccinations, and like you need an app to keep all of the data in one place, because you can just really forget, and it can be messy. But there you have it, and more countries I think are using this Verifly app. So that's the idea in a nutshell. Hope it was helpful.